Suboxone doctors that take insurance. It can be challenging to find a Suboxone doctor that takes insurance, but it's worth the effort. Suboxone is an effective medication for treating addiction to opioids such as heroin and prescription painkillers. Treatment is available, and many resources are available to help you get the care you need without worrying about the cost. For many struggling with addiction, one of the most significant barriers to treatment is the out-of-pocket cost. Suboxone is an effective medication-assisted treatment for opioid addiction, but it can be costly without insurance. In addition, many Suboxone doctors do not accept insurance, which can add to the financial burden of treatment. However, finding a Suboxone doctor that accepts insurance is vital because it can help make treatment more affordable. In addition, having insurance can help ensure that you have the financial stability to continue your treatment in the long term. It can be challenging to find a Suboxone doctor who accepts your insurance. Federally, there is a 275 patient limit for doctors with a DEA-X waiver. This waiver is required in order to prescribe Suboxone. Unfortunately, this limit means a limited number of providers and high demand for treatment. As a result, there is often a shortage of providers who accept insurance. If you are struggling to find a Suboxone doctor who accepts your insurance, you may consider looking into other options, such as private pay or self-pay options. If you are looking for a Suboxone doctor that accepts insurance, there are a few ways to find one. One way is to ask your primary care doctor for a referral. Your insurance company may also have a list of doctors who accept your insurance plan. You can also search online at suboxonedoctor.com and compare doctors' reviews, schedules, and accepted payment methods. Once you have a list of potential doctors, you can call them to ask about their policies regarding insurance and payment. Part of the reason for this shortage is that reimbursement rates from Medicaid are lower than private insurers. As a result, many doctors are unwilling to take on the added paperwork and hassle of treating Medicaid patients. Additionally, some patients are forced to wait months to see a certified Suboxone doctor due to the limited availability of appointments. As a result, patients relying on Medicaid for their healthcare coverage often have difficulty finding adequate treatment for their addiction. It can be challenging to find a Suboxone doctor that accepts Medicaid. However, many resources are available to help you connect with doctors who take your insurance. The most important thing is to ensure you have access to stable treatment to stay on track in your recovery journey. Visit Suboxonedoctor.com today to find Suboxone doctors that take insurance and get started on your path to recovery.